M12 4-in-1 drill. We've had this bad boy for a few weeks now, really putting it through its paces. You've noticed from our last tool reviews or a few of our others, we did about a week and a half, and then did the review on them. This time we've had it for nearly a month because I really wanted to put this thing through its paces and see what was better to use, this or my normal impact driver. One of the things I noticed straight away about this bad boy is it's so much lighter and more compact to throw on your hip as you walk around your job site. Second thing I've noticed is, like I said, it's the 4-in-1 drill. So basically you can use it like your normal drill. But the beauty about it is all its attachments. So our first attachment, you'll notice I leave the drill bit tip in and throw our first attachment on. Throw our normal screw in like we would if we had a drill, say. So it's really good for fine work, cabinet makers that are pilot drilling, chippies that are doing those fine cornices and basically wanting to pre-drill your job. And then all you need to do is your quick release, take it off, grab our screw, and away we go. So first, second, third attachment is your right angle. Now, as you might know, we do a lot of bathroom work, and a lot of the times those cabinets get right nice close to the wall, and we like to do towel rails or towel hooks off these cabinets. So by using our right angle drill bit, it really helps basically combat those fine spaces. And number four is our offset. Now, to be honest guys, I didn't even know this attachment existed. A lot of the times if you've got your fine to reach spaces which are, we're using our right angle, you'll find there is nearly as a guess, about a 25mm offset. So for those of you doing curtain rods or hanging things like that and you can't quite get in that space, I guarantee you probably won't use the offset that much, but when you need it, you need it. Quick recap guys, M12 4-in-1 drill. If you buy the kit, this is what you're getting. You're getting your charger, 2 batteries, not 1, 2 batteries, and then your 4 components. So all in all, I really think this is a great tool, especially for those guys starting up that don't want to buy a big kit altogether. It's very compact, very easy to use, and great value for money.